Hi, welcome 2014-16 batch. I'm Ratan, team lead servers last year. It's a super exciting moment for me. I think I'm a lot more enthusiastic than you all are. It's a journey down the memory lane for me. This team was born last year and the tradition will now go on. We'll all be a part of the same team. You know what? These 5-6 days will be the best days for you in Tapney. उसके बाद नटी बैंड बजा दिया सबकी. स्टोरी सबने सुनी होगी, क्या करता है क्या नहीं करता है. ये 5-7 दिन, I mean for those who don't understand Hindi, these 5-6 days, forget about sleep, forget about food, forget about studies. The only thing that you should have in your mind is your team, Team Blue, Team Cerberus. You'll fight, you'll scream, you'll enjoy. You'll sleep during the classes. Teachers will throw you out. 1-2 subgrades here and there is okay. 1-2 is bare minimum. If you don't get 1-2, then you have not enjoyed Cerberus. 5.2 rakh lena. That's it. That's a bare minimum. 5.2. After all, it's all fine. As it is, placement is never affected by marks. Trust me. And this Cerberus thing is or the Inceptum episode thing is a link between the juniors and the seniors. As not your immediate senior, even people who passed out 5-10 years back. I met a guy in Titan who passed out in 2007 and we had one thing in common, that was episode. And we were talking about that. You have now very important thing. Inceptum, when you hear about this, you feel that you should be good at dancing, drama, things like that. No. Absolutely false. You can be good at managing people, you can be good at cheering, you can be good at drawing, painting, and you can work for the team and you can be an asset for the team. Or if you're just there for the team and people know that you're there, that is more than enough. Be there for your team whenever needed. You need to go out somewhere, get something, you need just to be a part of it. Last year we won because we had people who were working tirelessly even behind the scenes. It's not just the people who are on the stage. They are just a face. It's not about them always. You need people who will actually work. So I just want to request all of you please do work, at least come there, take part in activities. You tell that what you like and what you don't like. We need your participation. After all, it is your event. We can just be a spectator, we can just act as a catalyst. After all, you need to work hard. It's for you that we are doing so much. This 5-6 days, फाड़ के मेहनत करो यार. इंसेप्टम के लिए, पढ़ाई के लिए नहीं, पूरी साल पढ़िए पढ़ाई करने के लिए. आपको डांस अच्छा लगता है, आप डांस करो. आपको ड्रामा अच्छा लगता है, आप ड्रामा करो. आपको कोई एक्टिविटी करनी, एक्टिविटी करो. भागना दौड़ना हर टाइप के इवेंट है. आओ, बॉन्ड करो. I mean, you will make friends for life. This time Inceptum is happening very early on, so you will make. We were talking about making friends for life. I still remember those days. We were sitting outside a classroom. We were having food there. No one used to have food during the mess hours or so. Either we can bring it from outside, we can take the mess food, anything. रात को 2 बजे, right? 2 a.m. in the night we are having food. Till 2 a.m. we used to get rooms. After that we used to work in corridors. After that we used to sleep in corridors. 8 a.m. get up, have breakfast, go to your room, change, class में so sleep in class. That's what we used to do. At least 5-6 of us every day, sleeping in corridors, sleeping in classes, even in exam. Yeah, even in exam I was sleeping. That's the kind of dedication I had for Inceptum and people in my team had. You'll remember this forever. I remember I share a bond with my seniors when I was in the junior team of so-called Inceptum. And it's the best bond you can ever have. Early on your Tapney life, make the most of it. And now the most important thing, I need to introduce your seniors to you. I'll do that in my next segment because छोटा cut के हो रहा. I'll do that and yeah, I'll do that part. Hi, now I'll be talking about Aditya Daga, your captain. He is a very genuine guy. He understands you, he understands the situation, and he'll take a logical decision. All he needs is your support. That's it. He actually manages people well. First time when I met him, it was not so good meeting. There was some kind of tiff between my friend and him. Yeah, but yeah, it was a little okay. You also have in your team Anurima. You know what? She can give you a real tough competition in cracking adult or you say non-veg jokes. She can really give you a good competition. You have Mohit Sethi. He is the best cross-dresser. Yeah, cross-dresser. He shaved his hands, his legs to become a aurat. He was amazing. And the best part about him is he's a go-to guy. You tell him anything, he'll do it. Yeah, we had Rahul. He was so-called lively, bubbly. He understands what people want. If there's an issue, he'll be there to sort it out in a very calm way. He'll just do anything which is necessary for the team. Yeah, Arpit. He was like, as I told you, working behind the scenes effortlessly, tirelessly. He wanted something real good. Now what I'll do is I'll move a little and talk about rest. This is what I've got now. This is the store warehouse. This is the space that I got to talk to you. Now we also had Ganesh. He was the Mr. Inceptum, so to say. We had Bali. She's the judge now. They two are fantastic. I mean, if they were Mr. and Mrs. Inceptum, you know what they were. We had Rakesh, yeah, he was working hard with Girish, with Ankit. I remember 2-3 events where they were working tirelessly, as in, I mean, I couldn't believe they were working so hard, and it was not because they want some recognition or something. They were working so hard. Man, we had Linda. We had Madhumita, we had Riya. They, I mean, one of the best painters and one of the best creative artists you can ever see. Man, we won so many events because of them. It was amazing. We also had, we had D, we had Karthik, we had Abhishek, we had Akhil. You know, these guys were kind of, you just tell them and they'll do it. They'll fit in exactly to the situation and they'll just make it happen. I remember she was part of that extempo kind of something, yeah, and with Tom, it was amazing. I was there. Karthik, he won, he was there in the singing thing. We had Jayashree, man, jitna bolo utna kam hai. She was not part of many of the on-stage events as such, but then she was working very hard behind the scenes. I mean, be it for fashion song, cutting songs, be it for anything. I mean, as in talking to people, managing stuff, getting things done. So much. I mean, she was amazing. We had Abhinav, 2 Abhinav in fact. They were working, I mean, as in, you know, you can't just pinpoint that they did this, but whenever I required them, they were there. We had Prateek Shetty, we had Nikhil, our Tarzan, we had Shruti, we had Vindhya. They were part of the so-called happening team, dancing, drama, something. So yeah, they were active on that front. We had Rana Anshuman. We had he presented. We had Siva. We had Nandini. They took the so-called academic stuff. They took care of that, presentations and all. So there they were very helpful, and I didn't have to look so much who is looking at. I just told them and they did. We had Suparna. We had Saurabh, Kiran. We had Sunil. We had Rukmini, Sebastian. We had people there. We had Anup. He also cross-dressed. Yeah, he is a welfare.com guy. Even I was a welfare.com guy. So he can get things done for you, so as to say logistics. Mohit Sethi is Logicom, so he can get the logistics thing done. You know what? जाते जाते हम सिर्फ एक ही चीज बोल सकते हैं. टीम ब्लू का नारा है, इंसेप्टम हमारा है. डूड, सबको पता होगा ये. सीख जाओ, बहुत कुछ होंगे. लाउड प्रमोशन, स्लो प्रमोशन, म्यूट प्रमोशन, पता नहीं क्या क्या. फॉरगेट, सब कुछ भूल जाओ. जस्ट एंजॉय, बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट. जीत के आओगे, नहीं तो समझ गया ना? डागा साले जीता नहीं ना तू। पीछे टी शर्ट के पीछे एक और लाइन, विनर्स इन सितंबर 2014। शो ऑफ करेंगे। वो टी शर्ट मेरे को चाहिए एक, तेरे पैसे की। यार मेरे को बहुत मन कर रहा है मैं आज जाऊं वहां पे पार्ट लूं। अमेजिंग होता वो। थैंक्स यार, थैंक्स फॉर मेकिंग मी सो इमोशनल एंड सो हैप्पी। See ya, bye. Do keep me informed. Use the Facebook page. I'll be dying to see the cup again. Bye bye. All the seniors, I'm very sorry अगर मैं किसी का नाम नहीं लिया, किसी को अच्छे से नहीं बोल पाया. You know what? आप लोगों को पता है. You know, guys. I'm so emotionally touched. I'm so emotionally attached to you all. I may not. I mean, I'm sorry if I didn't take something. Please. See you always. कोई भी काम हो बिंदास फोन करो, मेल करो, फेसबुक में बात करो, बिंदास। बाय।